Hello. Hi. How are you? I am good. And you? Not bad. Beautiful day, isn't it? Yeah, the sun has been shining all day. Let's talk about weather. Yes, of course. What's the weather like in your country? Well, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. What kind of weather do you like? I enjoy hot weather. There are more things to do when it is sunny. What months have the best weather in your country? For me, the best weather is from August to October, when it's warm across the country. Do you like it when it's rain? Yes, I like. How does the weather affect your feelings? I usually have a good mood when it rains. The rain reminds me of happy memories. Do you usually watch the weather forecast? No, not very often. What's your favorite season? Why? Let's see. I love spring when trees and the flowers blossom. What do you like to do when it's windy? When it's windy, I like flying a kite with my friends. That's interesting.